A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are studying from model paper number 173. I hope you all are fine and live your life happily. And let's start from question number 1. The question number 1 is word salat is of which language? Word salat is from which language? The word salat is from language of Arabic. Word salat is from salat is mean by namaz, and that is derived from language Arabic. Next one, Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu belong to which Kabila? They belong to Banu Umayyah. Okay, Umayyah, Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu belong to Umayyah. Next one, which is the second pillar of Islam? The second pillar of Islam is Salat. Okay, the first pillar of Islam is Tawheed and the second is Salat. ठीक है जी, कलमा, नमाज, रोज़ा, ज़कात, हज जिसे कहते हैं. The second pillar of Islam is Salat. Next one, agreement of Hudaybiyah made for how many years? That is made for 10 years, and the agreement of Hudaybiyah takes place between Muslims and Jews. Next one is which is the first revealed surah? The first revealed surah is Surah Alaq, and the first 5 ayah is revealed at Ghar Hira on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Next one is as per area, biggest province of Pakistan is Balochistan. The biggest area, the biggest province of Pakistan by area wise is Balochistan, and the biggest province of Pakistan by population is Punjab. Next one is when was All India National Congress established? All India National Congress established at 1885 by A.O. Hume. 1885 A.O. Hume, and Arya Samaj is founded in 1884, and the Muslim League is founded in 30 December 1906. Next one is who presided the meeting of League in 1940? Who presided the meeting of League in 1940? That is Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, who presided the meeting of League in 1940? That by Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next one is when Qaid-e-Azam was assassinated. When Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated. They assassinated in 16 October 1951 at Liaquat Bagh. Next one, what was the national anthem first played? When was the national anthem first played? It is played in 1954 on the front of Iranian president. Okay, next one is partition plan of subcontinent is 3rd June 1947. Partition plan of subcontinent is 3rd June 1947. Next one, first 5-year plan period is from 1955 to 1960. First 5-year plan was period is from 1955 to 1960. Next one, which political party was founded in 1967? That is Pakistan People Party in 20 December 1967 by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Pakistan People Party. Next one, in Tashkent Declaration, who participated from India? In Tashkent Declaration, who participated from India? That the president of Prime Minister of India is Lal Bahadur Shastri. In Tashkent Declaration, the Lal Bahadur Shastri is participated from India. Okay, let's move to next one. And the next one is which viceroy of subcontinent has the least tenure? Which viceroy of subcontinent has the least tenure? That was the Lord Mountbatten, and that is the last viceroy of India. Of subcontinent. When did the Qaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League? Qaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League in 1913. Next one, when was right of separate electorate given? The right of separate electorate given is in 1919. The right of separate electorate given in 1919. Next one, who was the head of the Constituent Committee formed by Ayub Khan? That is Justice Shahabuddin. Justice Shahabuddin, the head of Constituent Committee from Constituent Committee formed by Ayub Khan. That is Justice Shahabuddin. Next one, when Ayub Khan handed over the power to Yahya, that is in 1969. ठीक है. Okay, when Ayub Khan handed over the power to Yahya in 1969. Next one, who forwarded the Pakistan Resolution Lahore? That is Fazlul Haq. Okay, the Fazlul Haq, who forwarded the Pakistan Resolution Lahore, that is held in 23rd March 1940 by Fazlul Haq. Next one is the name of NWFP was changed as KPK in 2010. and 2010 KPK NWFP Northwest Federal Province is changed into as KPK, and the first NWFP is established in 1937. Okay, 1937, and then changed its name in KPK. Next one, who was first Chief Justice of Pakistan? That is Mia Abdul Rashid. Mia Abdul Rashid, who was the first Chief Justice of Pakistan, is Mia Abdul Rashid. Next one, when Kargil conflict took place in the year. Kargil conflict took place in the year of 1999. The Kargil conflict took place in the year of 1999. Next one, when financial year of Pakistan ends. The financial year of Pakistan ends in 30 June. The financial year of Pakistan ends in 30th June. Next one, who was the Prime Minister of the time of 1958 martial law? Prime Minister is Feroz Khan Noon. Okay, Feroz Khan Noon, the Prime Minister of Pakistan at the time of 1958 martial law is the Feroz Khan Noon. Next one is when Urdu-Hindi controversy started. Conflict is started in 1967. Next one is how many times Pakistan has won the Hockey World Cup? Pakistan has won the Hockey World Cup at 4 times the Hockey World Cup. Next one, when one unit came into existence in 1955. Next one, when first Constituent Assembly established in 1954. The first Constituent Assembly established in 1954. Next one, partition of Bengal took place in 1905. Partition of Bengal during the reign of Lord Curzon, and the partition of Bengal took place in 1905, while Muslim League is established in December 1906. Next one, which Viceroy made partition of Bengal? That is Lord Curzon, as I told you. Next one, line between Pakistan and Afghanistan is Durand line. Its total length is 110 kilometer, 2200 and 110 kilometer. Next one, which country in the west of Pakistan, that is Afghanistan, is situated in the west of Pakistan? Next one, objective resolution was passed on by 22 March 1949. 22 March 1949. Next one, NRO stands for National Reconciliation Order. NRO stands for National Reconciliation Order. Next one, when was the Holy Prophet was born? 1571 AD, and the Holy Prophet was died in in 631 AD. Okay, in 631 AD. Next one is who wrote Muqaddama Shairo Shairi? Muqaddama Shairo Shairi, who wrote? That is Altaf Hussain Khali. Altaf Hussain Khali died in 1914, and they wrote Muqaddama Shairo Shairi. Next one is Maddo Jazar Islam was written by Altaf Hussain Ali. Maddo Jazar Islam was written by Altaf Hussain Ali. Next one, in 1989, Burma name changed to Myanmar. Next one, which is not a part of personal computer? Modem is not a part of personal computer. Illegal use of computer through program, that is known as hacking. Next one, which is an output device? The mouse is an output device. The mouse is an input device, while CPU, monitor and printer is an output device. Next one, which one is output? The CPU is an output. Next one, no struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with men. Who said this line? That line is said by Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Again listen, no struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with the man. That is called by Qaeda Azam. Next one is Kali Kholna. Kali Kholna is Bahir Kholna. Kahid Kholna is Kali Kholna is Bahir Kholna. Next one is Aab hona. Okay, next one is Aab hona. Its mean is Sharminda hona. And next one is GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. Next one, ISO stands for International Standard Organization. ISO is just International Standard Organization. USA has how many states? 50 states USA contain, but now it's contained 52. That later 2 states they are purchased from Russia. Next one is Faro Gushat. Its mean is माजी में खोया रहना. माजी में खोया रहना. Next one is who wrote Aine Akbari. Aine Akbari, that is Abul Fazl ibn Mubarak. Who wrote Aine Akbari? That by Abul Fazl Ibn Mubarak. Next one is which capital of Australia? Australia capital is Canberra. Next one is which is the capital of India? New Delhi. Which is Indian organization of UNO? That is UNICEF, UNICEF, and its headquarters is in New York. Next one, province having largest coastline. The Balochistan has the largest coastline. The province of Pakistan. Next one, who was the last Governor General of Pakistan? That is Iskandar Mirza. Next, in Bahadur Shah Zafar buried in Rangoon, and the Auditor General is appointed by President. The Auditor General is appointed by President. Next one is pick the correct meaning of idiom. Pick the correct meaning of idiom. The first idiom is that burn midnight oil. Burn midnight oil mean work hard. Burn midnight oil mean work hard. Next, call a spade. Spade mean speak plainly or speak softly or speak genuinely. Call a spade a spade. Next one, husband one's resources. Husband one's resources, that idiom mean is manage the meanings of other. Manage the meanings of other. Next one, bear the burnt. That's mean face the task. Bear the burnt, face the task. Next, bury the hatchet. Its mean is make peace. Bury the hatchet is mean make the peace. Next one, to fish in trouble water. Its mean in a difficulty. To fish in trouble water, its mean is to in a difficulty. Next, an axe to grind. An axe to grind is mean to have a selfish reason. To have a selfish reason. An axe to grind is to have a selfish reason. Next one is afraid. Afraid is it's not. Next one is Dutch courage. Dutch DUTCH. Dutch courage mean great courage. Dutch courage mean is the great courage. Next one is pick the correct preposition. And the first preposition is annoyed. Annoyed, correct preposition is at. Annoyed at. Next one is sorry, and the correct preposition for sorry is for. Sorry for. Next one is passes. Passes, the correct preposition for passes is passes away. Okay. Next one is indebited. Indebited, the correct preposition for indebited is indebited to. Indebited to. Next one is hand. Hand, the correct preposition for hand is hand over. Hand over. Okay. Next one is eligible. The correct preposition for eligible is eligible for. Eligible for. Next one is affair. Affair is the correct preposition for affair is of. Affair of. Next one is antonym. The parity antonym. The antonym for parity is disagreement. Antonym for parity is disagreement. Next is endemic. The antonym for endemic is widely. And next is benign. BENIGN. Benign is the unkind. The antonym of benign is unkind. Next one is barbaric. Barbaric, the antonym for barbaric is civilized. Next one is contrary. The antonym for contrary is agreeable. Antonym for contrary is agreeable. Next one, the age of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, at the death of his mother. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, are 6-year-old at the death of his mother. Next one is the Islamic country that has the largest population, that is Indonesia. Next one, Constantinople is the old name of Istanbul. Next one, Hyatt has how many chambers? There are 4 chambers. In next meeting of International Islamic Organization in 1947 in Pakistan, that was held in Lahore. OIC stands for Organization of Islamic Cooperation, that was established in 1969. And next one is RCD. RCD founded by Pakistan, Iran and Turkey. RCD founded by Pakistan, Iran and Turkey. Next one, which organization was established in 1955? The CENTO, CENTO. CENTO was established in 1955, while UNO is established in 1945. Next one, what is the common name of sodium chloride? That is salt or namak. Next one, Shimla deputation comprised on how many members? That is 35. Shimla deputation is comprised on how many members? That by 35. It is Shimla deputation is also accompanied in 1972 from India Indira Gandhi and from Pakistan Bhutto. Zulfikar Bhutto. Next one, first SAARC summit is held at Dhaka. First SAARC summit is held at Dhaka. Next one is when Allama Iqbal delivered his historical address. Where Allama Iqbal delivered his historical address? That they addressed in Allahabad, Khutbah Allahabad in 1930. Next one, in 1969, Muammar Gaddafi. Muammar Gaddafi deposed which king? The King Idris. Muammar Gaddafi deposed which king? The King Idris. Next one, where is Red Cross HQ? Red Cross HQ is in Geneva. Red Cross HQ is in Geneva. Next, when Gandhi assassinated? Gandhi assassinated in 1948. Gandhi is assassinated or killed in 1948. Next one, Pisa Power. Pisa Power is located in Italy. Pisa Power is located in Italy. Next one is the first martial law was imposed on 7th October 1958. The first martial law was imposed on 7 October 1958 by General Ayub Khan. Next one is the founder of modern Turkey is Kemal Ataturk. Kemal Ataturk. Next one is Zeot means fanatic. Zeot means fanatic. Next one is chlorophyll color is green. The chlorophyll color is green. Next one, the most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. The most light abundant element of the universe is hydrogen, and the most heaviest abundant of the universe is uranium. Also remember the uranium. Okay, I hope you understand. God bless you. Stay blessed, stay inspired, stay tuned, and keep motivated, enthusiastic. Bye.